Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Unless you are new over here, then welcome. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you having a casual conversation with somebody else. And of course, I'm gonna make myself twin because in that place there is nobody available that I can having a conversation with him. And that's why I make myself twin by editing. So let's dive in right the conversation. Hey, how you doing? It's good to see you again. Yeah, I'm alright. But where have you been? I was looking for you for last couple of days, but you didn't show up. Oh yeah, I'm glad to hear that you're doing good. Actually, I was really busy with something because, I recently started a series in my YouTube channel called Speak English with Me. So I had to making contents for my audience. That's why I didn't show up. So what's your emergency? Where are you looking for me? It's just literally nothing. I was just looking for you for having a little chat, having coffee and hanging out, for spending some time with you. That's it. Anyway, if I had something emergency, definitely I will ask you for. Didn't you help me with that? Sure things, because you're my old friends. Why not? I'm always have on your back for helping you with anything. Oh, it's good to hear that. So what we are going to do now exactly? Oh no, I don't have that much time right now. I have to go back to home because I didn't take my lunch yet. Oh sure, you better go then. Yeah, I think so. It was very nice to meet you. See you later. Yep, you too. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed this conversation and also learned some new vocabulary that I used for having conversation with myself. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and share this video who wanna learn English like you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.